Hello everyone. So first on Google we will write ChatGPT and the first website that will come here openai.com. You will go to that. When it opens, we'll click on try ChatGPT and now here comes the most amazing thing. What is the future? You can see this works on the basis of artificial intelligence. Now I'm giving it an instruction, write an essay on pollution. Now let's see how does it work. Wow, it's writing the essay on pollution. Okay, I can stop generating this essay and now I'm going to give it another instruction, write a sick leave for 2 days off from school. Now let's see how does it work. Wow, this is just like that application what we write for the sick leaves. So this is doing an amazing work. Now again I'm going to give it another instruction. So you can see this is writing a really good content about the global warming, what I wanted from this. Now I want to see that it can edit my photo as well or not. No, it cannot do some editing kind of work, but it can do my all documentation kind of work. It can solve my math problems, it can do my all assignments, and it can help me in writing content for my websites as well. It can help me in my business plans. So this is really amazing. We can use ChatGPT for almost all our documentation purposes. Thank you for today.